Today's video shows the drive from Gallup, New Mexico to Chinle, Arizona, near Canyon de Chelly. My first stop of the day was at Window Rock, which is the Navajo Nation capital. There I visited the Navajo Nation Museum, which describes the tradition, culture, and history of the Navajo. I then moved on to the tribal park at Window Rock itself, where there is also a memorial to the World War II code talkers. These were the Navajo warriors who helped the U.S. military by providing secret communications based on the Navajo language, which was unknown to the Japanese. The first blue marker on the map is a photograph taken at Window Rock. I then drove the scenic route to Chinle along the north rim of Canyon de Chelly, and the second blue marker indicates an overlook at Massacre Cave. In order to enter the canyon itself, you have to book a tour with a Navajo guide, which I had done for this afternoon. However, due to high water in the canyon, the tour was cancelled, so I decided to drive the south rim, stopping at all of the overlooks along the way. I have included photographs at several of these overlooks, which are indicated by the remaining blue markers on the map. By the time I ended my journey, the weather was turning nasty with high winds and dark clouds and eventually rain. This is obvious from the later video and also the last photograph.